Meaning of immaculate.
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 Immaculate. The word immaculate means clean, pure or free from defects. It refers to something that is without blemish or stain. When applied to a person, it can mean that they are pure in heart and free from any wrongdoing. When used to describe an object, it implies that it is spotless and perfect in every way. An immaculate room is one that is tidy and free of dirt or clutter. In general, the term immaculate conveys a sense of cleanliness, perfection, and purity that is beyond reproach.